Hello everyone. Today we are talking about one of the most searched cosmetic procedures in the world, liposuction. There are endless fears and expectations around it. And to answer all of that and more, we have with us Dr. Hiranmay Jha, an AIMS alumna. She is one of the most experienced plastic surgeons in Delhi with more than 10 years of experience. Welcome, doctor.
Hello.
So, doctor, first please tell us what exactly is liposuction, what does it do, and what does it not do?
So liposuction is one of the body contouring procedures which is done for an individual with an ideal body weight and who has been engaged in exercising and practicing an healthy lifestyle. But that person is not able to lose those stubborn fat pockets. So basically liposuction is meant for targeting those fat pockets which is not the person is not able to get rid of it by normal exercises and lifestyle changes. Now the question is that liposuction is a surgical procedure, so that it has to be taken into mind that liposuction आपको सर्जरी के माध्यम से आपके फैट पॉकेट्स को टारगेट करता है. ये कोई ओपीडी प्रोसीजर नहीं है जिसमें कि आप आते हैं और करा के चले जाते हैं, तो ये चीज़ आपको समझने की ज़रूरत है.
Okay, ma'am. So, ma'am, is this a shortcut to weight loss or is that just a misconception?
So I would like to clarify that liposuction is not a primary goal for weight loss. ये आपको एक motivation दे सकता है आपके weight loss journey में, and mind it, you have to take care that your body weight should be near to the ideal body weight. If you are like, if your BMI is too high and then if you think that liposuction से आपकी weight loss हो सकती है, then you are mistaken there. Liposuction weight loss के लिए उन लोगों के लिए है जिनका थोड़ा बहुत ही आगे पीछे रहता है weight, उनके लिए एक मोटिवेशन जैसा साबित करता है. और उन एरियाज में जिन एरियाज में एक्सरसाइजेस से वो ठीक नहीं हो रहा है,
Okay.
तो वहाँ पर हम लाइपोसक्शन को समझ सकते हैं कि इट विल हेल्प दैट पर्सन टू अटेन प्रॉपर बॉडी प्रपोर्शंस.
Okay, ma'am. So, ma'am, can you please tell us that how can a person know that I need liposuction? And
Okay.
also, can you give us some solid numbers? Like this should be my weight and this should be my BMI.
So there is a BMI calculator. According to the weight and the height, you calculate the ideal BMI for your age. And उसमें अगर आपका पड़ रहा है and you fall in that area, and then you find that there are some stubborn fat pockets in those areas like lower belly or love handles, या फिर arms में ऐसे हैं, saddle bags हैं hips में, तो उन एरियाज को नहीं ट्रीट कर पा रहे हैं, तो वहाँ पर लाइपोसक्शन का एक रोल आता है.
Okay.
तो इनफैक्ट पीछे में फीमेल्स में देर आर दोज ब्रा रोल्स जो कि बहुत ही अनकंफर्टेबल लगता है जब वो प्रॉपर ऐसी ड्रेसेस पहनते हैं, कॉस्ट्यूम्स पहनते हैं. तो उन केसेस में आपको लाइपोसक्शन हेल्प कर सकता है. एंड वहाँ पर कोई भी नॉन सर्जिकल बॉडी कंट्रोलिंग प्रोसीजर्स जो है इतना ख़ास काम नहीं करती हैं. एंड if you find it if you find any difficulty in understanding, then you should consult a plastic surgeon whoever is nearby, because आप खुद से ये decide करना थोड़ा सा मुश्किल है कि whether you are a candidate or not. And there are some fitness criteria as well, you have to go through that checklist, so which makes you fit for surgery. So those things are there that a doctor will decide, a certified plastic surgeon will decide, and वो आपको आपकी मदद करेंगे पहचानने के लिए कि क्या आप सही कैंडिडेट है या नहीं.
Okay, ma'am. So, is there a age limit?
Anybody who is more than like 18 years of age
Okay.
can go, and as I said, that person has to be fit for the surgery first. So first the evaluation has to be thorough with the plastic surgeon to find out. And mostly in India, plastic surgeons are authorized to do these procedures. It has not to be done by others, so that is also to be taken into account.
Okay, so ma'am, you're talking about plastic surgeons. So how can a person choose the right plastic surgeon, since there are many options these days and everyone is claiming that we are the right person or the right body
So
to do it?
for plastic surgeon, for choosing a plastic surgeon, आपको देखना चाहिए कि उनकी एरिया क्या है जिनमें वो सर्जरी ज़्यादा करते हैं, उनकी इयर्स ऑफ एक्सपीरियंस क्या है, उनकी उन्होंने कहाँ से डिग्रीज ली है, कॉलेजेस कैसे है, जिससे उन्होंने अपनी ट्रेनिंग ली है, एंड सर्टिफिकेशन है कि नहीं उनके पास करने के लिए। साथ साथ आपको ये भी देखना है कि आपकी जो सर्जरी हो रही है दैट हैज़ टू बी डन इन अ हॉस्पिटल सेटअप, because these surgeries need backup. You cannot do it in a something where there is not sufficient backup, and the entire team is engaged in doing plastic surgery and aesthetic plastic surgery, wherein an experienced anesthetist is required for every case, and the whole set of OT team is there who helps you out in these surgeries. So that has to be taken into account before choosing a plastic surgeon, and you need to discuss it while you are going for your discussions with the surgeon. You will come to know, and a proper certified plastic surgeon will always go through the protocol. Nobody will do any shortcut to you. So that is how you understand when you meet a plastic surgeon or when you go for your consultation. So again, I would like to highlight that there are so many centers where telephonic booking of the appointments are done, and which is not right. You should go and meet your surgeon. You should check about the details about your surgeon, and then you go for a consultation. In clinic consultations give you a thorough idea about your pros, cons, side effects, and what tests are required to evaluate. So right from blood tests to your imaging, if at all required, and other if you have other associated comorbidities, then those have to be taken care of in a pre-anesthetic checkup before you go for your plastic surgery, which is liposuction.
Okay, ma'am. So, since you have vast experience in this field, can you please tell us what are the major misconceptions that people have about this?
So, most commonly that we encounter is that they think that it's an OPD procedure. They just want to come and just go away, like it's some facial or something like that. They are coming and they just want to go out with the change in their body. Number two is that they just want instant results. So, we see there is tremendous change in the body shape intraoperatively also, बट देर इज अ टाइम लाइन, एक पूरी उनकी जो जर्नी है उसमें एक टाइम लाइन होता है फॉर एवरी प्रोसीजर. सो एटलीस्ट 3 months टाइम इज रिक्वायर्ड टू सी द फाइनल रिजल्ट्स. Half the process is done in the operation theatre and rest half is to be done by the patient wearing the pressure garment, having a proper diet, exercising and following a healthy lifestyle. So it's not that एक बार आपने करा लिया तो बस everything is done. Number third is that they liposuction takes away your fat, but it will not completely make it zero. तो जो चला गया that is permanent, but दोबारा भी आ सकता है because rest of the fat cells are there. So आपका जो habit है वो सारा changes होने हैं, and then it has a recovery process to it. If you have your some important event in the corner, then you have to take a timeline before you go for it and you are completely recovered out of your surgery. So these things are very important, and these are the misconceptions which people have, that they think that we can do it instantly.
ओके तो मैम किसी भी पर्सन के लिए सेफ्टी जो होती है वो बहुत ही मेजर कंसर्न होता है. अगर हम लाइपोसक्शन को देखते हैं तो हाउ सेफ इज इट?
So here I would like to emphasize कि liposuction एक safe procedure है अगर safety protocols में किया जाए. तो इसमें 2-3 चीज़ें हैं जो कि बहुत ही इम्पॉर्टेंट है. जब आपकी फिटनेस चेक हो रही है आपके डॉक्टर के साथ, then you should not hide any of your diseases or any of your previous comorbidities that you have, and a thorough check has to be done. So there are a few things like any history of bleeding tendencies in the family, and history of deep vein thrombosis. So there's a whole checklist that has to be taken care of before you are going for liposuction surgery. Now, second thing is that you cannot just change overnight, right? If you have a lot of fat in your body, so there's a cutoff which is safe to be done, safely to be done in one go. तो अगर आपने कराना है तो आपको ये देखना है कि आपका जो है वो 8 to 10% of the fat removed out of your body weight is safe, and it has to be done within that क्राइटेरिया. अदरवाइज हमारे जो कॉम्प्लिकेशंस है जैसे कि हीमोडाइल्यूशन और बहुत सारे कॉम्प्लिकेशंस होते हैं जो कि डिफ़िकल्ट टू हैंडल होते हैं, तो उन सेफ्टी प्रोटोकॉल्स के अंदर रह के आपको डिसाइड करना है. देन देयर इज समथिंग कॉल्ड होल बॉडी लाइपोसक्शन. सो मेनी पेशेंट्स दे जस्ट कम और आपको कहते हैं कि मुझे सारे बॉडी का कराना है, मुझे उन्होंने बोला कि करवा देंगे and all those stuff. So that is not the right approach to go for a liposuction surgery. Maximum that you can target in one go is 1 or 2 areas, and you can get it staged. So you can do it in next setting. So you cannot just push in for a massive liposuction, and then that is the region when you that is the corner when you land up in complications. So you have to take care of all those things that आप सेफली आउट रिकवर होकर के बाहर निकले. कुछ खुद की भी मेहनत करें, कुछ प्रेशर गारमेंट से, कुछ एक्सरसाइजेस से, कुछ डाइट से, एंड ग्रेजुअली यू सी देयर इज अ लॉट ऑफ चेंज. सो nothing happens overnight, nothing happens with the blinking of your eyes. It needs a lot of efforts if you really want your body to be contoured.
So, ma'am, what precautions does a person need to take before and after the procedure?
So before the procedure, if you are into habits of smoking or alcohol, you should stop it.
Okay.
Because smoking has this tendency of blocking your fine arterioles. There's something called endarteritis obliterans करता है smoking से, तो आप उसको बंद करें. नहीं तो फिर आपके जो एरियाज हैं उसमें ब्रूजिंग की टेंडेंसीज, स्किन निक्रोसिस और ये सब होने के चांसेस होते हैं, जो कि पॉसिबिलिटी है. सो स्मोकिंग इज अ बिग नो, and it has to be done at least 1 month before your surgery. Then alcohol has to be stopped. Again, there are some blood thinners if you're on, so those things you have to stop. Prolonged sitting, standing, you have to make yourself fit for a GA surgery. So those things have to be taken care of. Post-op में you have to wear pressure garments, you have to keep yourself mobile, you have to do some exercise. You cannot just get a liposuction done and फिर आप एकदम immobile होके बैठ जाएंगे तो कुछ भी ज़्यादा फर्क नहीं आता है, क्योंकि there are chances of seroma collection and there is a chances of a lot of blood collections in those areas. So the more mobile you are, so that gives you a better contouring, better results. And then these things again you have to stop with the post-op, which is smoking and alcoholism and other medicines if there are any. And if you are diabetic or if you are suffering from other diseases, those things also have to be taken care of beforehand. So then you get better results, and rest you should be in touch with your plastic surgeon who will guide you accordingly for your follow-ups.
Ma'am, can you please give us some rough estimation regarding the cost?
So again, the cost depends on आप किस surgeon से करा रहे हैं. So experience of the surgeon is a deciding factor. Then cost is impacted by the hospital facility in which the procedure is being done. And third thing is the areas. How many areas are there for liposuction? अगर आपके ज़्यादा areas है, the OT duration is increased, and again your cost adds to it. Then hospital stay. आप कितने दिन hospital में रुक रहे हैं? So it's 1 day, 2 day or 3 days. So accordingly the cost will increase. So ये सारे reason जो हैं आपके cost के लिए deciding factor होते हैं. Again आप किस city में करा रहे हैं? आप A-tier city में करा रहे हैं या फिर दिल्ली मुंबई की जो cost होगी compared to a B-tier city will always be more, because यहाँ पे ज़्यादा cost लगती है चीज़ों में, manpower में and everything. So this is how the cost varies in different setups. And the ideal cost जो एक जो basic cost लगती है liposuction में, अगर हम chest liposuction की बात करें तो starting cost जो होती है 60 to 80,000 में start हो जाती है और abdominal lipo 80 to 1 lakh में start होती है. But there are so many centers who are offering you cheap services. वो बहुत ही ज़्यादा आपको गिरा के cost बताते हैं. But you have to take into mind that nothing comes free. और आप किन चीज़ों पे आप cost को कम कर सकते हैं. So there is a basic cost to every procedure according to the standardized protocol. So those things also you have to take into your consideration when you are going for liposuction surgery or you are choosing a center for liposuction surgery.
Ma'am, can you name 3 best post-op advice for recovery?
So yeah, there are 3 advices which I would recommend as a plastic surgeon for best recovery post liposuction surgery. Is number 1, to take balanced diet. Number 2 is wear pressure garment religiously. And number 3 is do exercises as advised by a plastic surgeon, as exercise and pressure garment will help you in getting a better contouring of your body, and it will help your skin to retract better.
Thank you, Dr. Hiranmayi, for this thoughtful conversation. I hope that it will help our viewers.
Welcome.
And for our viewers, if you want to have consultation with Dr. Hiranmayi, you can visit her at her clinic. It is Eterna Vision and Aesthetics Clinic, situated in Shivalik, Malvinagar, New Delhi. Thank you.